Hey Boo Boo Kitties, hey boo hey. What's good y'all? It's the girl with the guy's name, 5 4 Head Gang, you know what I'm saying? Back again with another video. I'm here to teach you how to edit and flex and slay on your iPhone 8. iPhone 8. But we don't call it the iPhone, we call it the pocket camera, you right? A lot of y'all comments been telling me, it don't work no more. Can you find out another way you could do it? It don't work no more. I think that I'm just like, oh my god. So first and foremost, I'm so sorry that I'm just now updating this video. It's gonna be super easy. You can do it just with your iPhone. Again, the app in the first video I mentioned was the Documents app, but a lot of people said that they can no longer download the Blooper beat TV sound effect like this. Y'all gonna be like, Ryan, you dead ass had us waiting this whole time. I'm dead ass and I'm dead sorry. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you are screen recording, but this is a trick. When you press screen record, do you see this little button here that says microphone? Make sure that your microphone is on, because usually it's always off. Make sure that your microphone is on. This way, when you're screen recording, it'll pick up the audio as well as the visual, the video. So we're going to hop into YouTube, and you're going to go to my previous video, which is the Blooper beat TV sound effect. And we are just going to fast forward to the blooper screen effect part. And you want to make sure that you enlarge this as such. You want to make sure that you enlarge the YouTube screen. So after you have screen recorded with the microphone on, you are going to press done. And from that screen recorded video, you are going to then trim this screen recorded video only to the part where it shows the blooper TV screen effect. So I'm making sure that I trim it where it's literally just that. And this is the video that I just screen recorded on. I'm just trimming it to just this part that we want. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop into iMOVIE, and you are going to press the create movie, the plus sign to the mid left. Then I'm going to press video. And the screen record that I just trimmed, I'm going to take that little part and I'm going to add it here. Now, as you can see, since it was a screen recorded video, we need this to be bigger, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to pinch and zoom to enlarge this little clip here to fit the entire screen. And because we screen recorded with the audio, you have this sound as well as the visual. You guys, this is super easy. You don't need the Documents app. You don't have to worry about potentially getting a virus. Although whenever I use the Documents app, I've never ever had any issues with any viruses, but there were a lot of people who was wary about it. But this is a super easy way. And as you can see here, I just played it, and let's press play, and you have your blooper screen. Now I'm going to show you guys once again. I'm going to add this here, right? This is one of my outros that I did for a client. So do you see how this transition kind of happens? We don't want that. You're going to tap this transition, make sure you click none, so that it goes directly into the blooper screen as such. And there you have it. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do this on Final Cut Pro. So there are two different ways that you can do this. I'm just going to briefly show you. Actually, I'm going to show you the most easiest way to do this. And if you guys are enjoying this video already and you feel like this is easier, make sure that you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. So on your desktop, you're going to go to YouTube and you're going to look up YouTube Blooper TV screen effect, right? And can we just give Sis props for her SEO #1, baby, a year later. So if you guys want the blooper effect like this, you can look up anyone that you like on YouTube. So I'm going to open up another window and I'm going to type in YouTube MP3 converter. I'm going to hit the first one. It's the first one for me because I usually always use this, and this is YT MP3. Now, this is really helpful because if you want to download any songs for your YouTube videos or visuals, you can convert the YouTube videos into such so you can download it. You're going to make sure that whenever you are downloading a visual, you go over to YouTube, copy and paste the link. You paste the link and you want to make sure it's always on MP4, and then you press convert. You want MP4 because you want the actual video. You don't want MP3 where it's just the audio. So we're going to press download, and any window that opens up, always close out. Okay, always close out of those third-party windows. Don't click nothing on those other pages. Just always close out. Now that you see here, this is an easier way. I usually keep my web browser open, in which I just downloaded the blooper screen, and I drag it right into Final Cut Pro. Another way you can do this is you just open your Finder, you go to downloads, and you drag and drop whichever blooper TV screen you just downloaded. Or directly in Final Cut Pro, you can click this arrow button, and then it'll open up everything on your desktop, where you can just select your blooper TV screen, for example, and press import selected. But I just did it the easy way. I just dragged it directly from my web browser. And there you have it. You have your blooper TV screen effect. And I'm just showing you guys. Now, another way that you can do this is by doing it from my video. We're going to do the same exact thing. So I'm just going to hop on to my channel and go over here. And since the blooper TV screen effect is at the end, what we're going to do is we're going to download this video just as we did the previous blooper TV screen effect, and we're going to trim it. So I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to press convert next. Make sure it's on MP4, never on MP3. And then we're going to paste and then convert. And we're just waiting for this to pop up. And now we're going to press download. And we are just going to wait for this to download. And we're going to do the same exact thing. We're just going to drag and drop. But because my entire video isn't just the blooper TV screen effect, you're going to have to trim it in Final Cut Pro. While we wait, you guys, I just want to show you, you guys gave me so much great feedback. I really appreciate it. I didn't know that something as simple as this would be as helpful for a lot of you guys, because I've gotten a lot of messages and the numbers just keep going up. And while we're here, for all of you who have been rocking with me, you know I go by her Melanin Pocket Camera YouTube Coach. You can join my private Facebook group for pocket camera bosses, teaching new Melanin content creators on a budget and on the go how to finesse, flex, edit, launch their entire business and their entire YouTube channel all on their pocket camera, solely from your phone. So make sure that you guys click that link above if you want to find me. And also, I am launching this week my very first digital planner for YouTube monetization manifestation. So it is a manifestation planner to help you to monetize, as well as a video planner to help you schedule your uploads. So I'll do another video with more details once that launches this week. And as you can see here, it's still downloading, but then I remembered I actually already have this downloaded on my desktop, so we were kind of waiting for nothing. So what I'm going to do is this little yellow mark here. Do you see how I just took that little segment from the entire video? And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to drag this red marker, click where I wanted to cut, and do Command B, because that is going to bring up the blade tool, and I just cut it and deleted the clip prior to it that I did not want, if that makes sense. So as you can see here, you may not want the blooper TV screen to be as long. Again, you can use the blade tool by doing Command B, or you can just drag it. The blade tool is what I just did, Command B, delete the excess that I don't want, or you can just drag the clip to your desired, to the desired duration. So I'm just going to do Command B and delete the unwanted clip. And that is how you add your blooper TV screen effect to your iPhone directly to your videos, or using Final Cut Pro. If you want to download your blooper TV effect, here are the two popular ones.